Hello Genius, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Filipino Explaining. So in this video Genius, I'm going to show you how to solve this tricky equation. As you can see, it is tricky. We have been asked to find the value of x in this equation, and the equation itself is 1 raised power x is equals to 3. As always, as I normally tell you that in mathematics, nothing is impossible. So and we as mathematicians, we have to face it. We have to face challenge no matter what. So we're having 1 power x is equals to 3. Okay, so we say solution. We have 1 power x is equals to 3. So the first step, Genius, we shall apply natural logs on both sides of the equation, and I have natural log of 1 power x is equals to natural log of 3. Okay, remember this rule for natural logs, that if, for example, if we have natural log of a raised power n is the same as or is equals to n natural log of a. We just take this power to the other side of the natural log. So we are having this power x here, so we shall take this x to the other side, this side, and now we have x natural log of 1 is equals to natural log of 3. Hope you understand, Genius. So after that, we shall divide all through by natural log of 1. So divide by natural log of 1 divided by natural log of 1, and we have x is equals to natural log of 3 over natural log of 1. But natural log of 1 gives us 0, meaning that the whole of this here down here is equals to 0. So if we take natural log of 3 divided by 0 to get the value of x, you can see the way it appears here. So it means that there is no real solutions for this equation. There are no real solutions for these equations. So at this point, we have identified and recognized that there are no real solutions or real roots. There are no real roots for this equation, or there are no real values of x for this equation. So we shall apply the Euler's identity, what we call Euler's identity. This is what we call the Euler's identity. E raised power I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. This is what we call Euler's identity. So at this point, we shall substitute theta. In this Euler's identity. Substitute theta with 2k pi. I mean, theta is equals to 2k pi, where k is an integer. For k is equals to 1, 2, 3, ... as it continues. So in this Euler's identity, you have substituted theta with 2k pi. So we're having e power 2, it's I first, I dot 2k pi. Are we there? I've just taken this to this point here. Okay, it's equals to cos 2k pi. Are we there, Genius? Plus I sin 2k pi. Okay, so let's start with this one. For k, when k is equals to 1, for k is equals to 1, let's see what it gives us. For k is equals to 1, I mean we shall substitute k with 1 in this equation here. So we have e power I dot 2, when k is 1, it means it's 2 times 1. We get 2 times pi, we get 2 pi. Are we there? Is equals to cos 2 times k. K is 1. So it's 2 times 1 is 2 times pi. We get 2 pi. Are we there, genius? Plus I sine 2 pi. Okay. So cos 2 pi gives us 1. I sine 2 pi gives us 0. Remember, 2 pi, in this case, 2 pi is equals to the same as 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Are we there? Meaning that e raised to power I dot 2 pi will give us 1. Okay, let's do this for k is equals to 2. So we have e power I dot 2 times 2, we get 4. That's 4 pi now. Is equals to cos 4 pi plus I sine 4 pi. Cos 4 pi will give us 1. I sine 4 pi will give us 0. Remember, in this case, 4 pi is equivalent to 720 degrees. 720 degrees. Hope you understand, genius, what I'm doing here. Let's do another one. For k is equals to 3. So you have e power I dot it's 3. So it's 3 times 2. We get 6. Sorry, it is 6 pi. Are we there? It's equals to cos 6 pi plus I sine 6 pi. This will also give us 1. This gives us 0. Remember, 6 pi in this case, 6 pi is 1080 degrees. 1080 degrees. Let's do one more. For k is equals to 4. So it's e power I dot k is equals to 4. So we have 2 times 4 is 8 times pi is 8 pi. Is equals to cos 8 pi plus I sine 8 pi. So this one gives us 1, this one gives us 0. Meaning that 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. Sorry, it's 1. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. Remember, in this case, this one, 8 pi, is equivalent to 1440 degrees. 1440 degrees. So, we shall stop there. As you can see, as you can observe and realize that as we continue, 8, 10 pi, 16 pi, what pi, it will give us 1, 0, 1. Meaning that this one here, e raised power I dot 2 k pi will give us 1, 1, 1, 1. So we say, therefore, e raised power I dot 2 k pi is equals to what? Is equals to 1. And what is our equation? Our equation was 1 power x is equals to 3. As you can see, 1 power x here is equals to 3. And e raised power I dot 2 k pi is equals to 1. Meaning that the whole of this is equals to what? Is equals to 1. So we say, genius, that e raised power I dot 2 k pi is equals to 1 dot this power x here is equals to 3. So this will give us e power I dot 2 k pi dot x is equals to 3. At this point, genius, we are going to apply natural logs on both sides of the equation, and I have natural log of e power I dot 2k pi dot x is equals to natural log of 3. Remember this rule here, that natural log of a raised power n is equals to n natural log of a. So in this case, our n is this power here, our a is e. So we have I dot 2k pi dot x natural log of e is equals to natural log of 3. But you have to remember, genius, but natural log of e is equals to 1. So if we substitute this with 1, so we take this 1 times this power times this, the whole of this I dot 2k pi dot x, it gives us I dot 2k pi dot x is equals to natural log of 3. We want the value of x, so we divide all through by I dot 2k pi by I dot 2k pi. So we have x is equals to natural log of 3 over I dot 2k pi. You can leave it at this point, or you can continue. You take this I to the upper side, or to the numerator, by multiplying both the numerator by I, the denominator by I, and now you have x is equals to I natural log of 3 over I times I dot 2k pi. You get I squared dot 2k pi. And remember, I squared is equals to negative 1. So it will be minus I natural log of 3 over 2k pi. Remember that I squared is equals to negative 1. Are we there? So x is equals to negative I natural log of 3 over 2k pi. For k is not equals to 0 and k is an integer. Thank you so much, genius. Hope you understand what I'm explaining here. These are my thoughts. You can also suggest or comment your thoughts in the comment section. You can leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Please, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. So we continue, so that we continue learning mathematics together. Have a nice day. Have a nice time. Till next time, genius. Take care. Bye.